was the legal fireworks continued yesterday. Apparently, there was no evidences that was brought against Prime Minister because the way it stands in court, when you have presented all your evidences and the judge closes the port of evidence, you can no longer bring another evidence to, open the case because you're dragging the lawyers or the judges back. So the evidences that Nuru Rubado's office and the attorney of Federation, Latif Fagbemi, has presented to Finland is what Finland is using. Now, there is no other evidences that's going to be allowed to for Nigeria to bring on this very moment because it's going to really drag them back. So, Nigeria has no case against Prime Minister, like I keep saying, because what they are dragging was just back and forth, to the extent that the lawyer, the prosecutor of Nigeria, yesterday was asking the judge to detain Mazi Simon Ekpa for another 6 months. That is very laughable. It's just to tell you that Nigeria has nothing against Simon. And the guy said, no, evidences is what I'm going to use in this court. We're going to use evidence, because just like I keep telling us here, that is not Simon that is on trial. It is Finland that is on trial. Finland is on trial, not Simon Ekpa. It is Finland to hold their country's law, equity, fairness, and justice. That is what is just happening in Finland as we speak. So Simon Ekpa is not on trial. Finland and Nigeria are on trial. In fact, Finland that is on trial, not Simon Ekpa. Because number one, is this Salina Salin, the ambassador from Finland to Nigeria, came and told the public that Prime Minister was blocking bilateral agreement with Nigeria. And this same Salina Salin, this woman, we have not seen her in court up to today. Now, there is this, she was working with the Nigerian intelligence. She was working with the Nigerian intelligence. She was working with with Latif Fagbemi, that is the new AGF, And these people are very corrupt people. So the people she's working with are the people giving them information that she is submitting to Finland. That woman is evil. And none of them could come to court to explain themselves. That is my problem. None of them has the guts to come to court to explain themselves. So what they are doing now is looking for what to do to hold on to Simon. They didn't know that Odogu Kwadolofuma. So even up to today that I'm talking to you, today is going to be the 5th day. So it is 5-0. 5-0. Simon is beating Nigeria hands down. Simon told you people that the truth will come out. It's very deep. That word is very deep, deeper than we think. The truth will come out. And now, Dr. David Masanga made a reference with Malami. Malami went to kidnap Mazi and they can call him a terrorist. Called him all manner of name. Painted Mazi and they can all manner of name. But look at 200 and something billion is worth of assets is what they are recovering from Malami. Over 48 houses. I think nine has been recovered. Over 40 something buildings. That is what this AGF stole. Was linked to criminality, terrorism. So that is the reference Dr. David Masanga was compelling yesterday. So how can such people give you evidence to hold down a man that is fighting for his freedom? How can such country give you evidence that you rely on? Bro, Nigeria is finished. Nigeria is gone. So upon all this whole violent fighting Simon, using every security outfit to fight Simon. All the whole generals in Nigeria was shouting Simon, 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 Simon. The whole Christopher Musa never allowed us to sleep. Oh, we have submitted evidences. Oh, evidences is before Finland. Oh, Simon will be extradited. Oh, where is Musa today? None of them is in Finland. That is the shockest part of it. Maybe today they might come, I don't know. But Nigeria is a coward. They are all cowards. From their presidents to the last person in their office, they are all cowards. Simon, 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 Simon. None of them. We didn't see them. No Peter Mba in court today. We didn't see Ifeanyi Ejiofor that told Simon that I'm going to write petition, I will jail you. We didn't see Ifeanyi Ejiofor. What about Brekete family? Call Finland. You cannot be in another country and start fighting another sovereign nation. So Nigeria is a sovereign nation. Why you people left your borders for terrorists to come in and take over and slaughter Nigerians? Brekete, why are you not calling Finland now? All of you saw what Brekete did. Call Finland on his live program. Now, the way they are slaughtering Nigeria in their country, the way they are behaving them, why is Brekete family not calling Finland again? They couldn't come to Finland. Are you people ashamed of yourselves now? You shouldn't be. You don't have shame, so you shouldn't be ashamed. None of them is in Finland. None. Not one person is in Finland. The only thing that they were asking the judge to do to give them more 6 months, to jail Mazi Simonekpa, more 6 months. Can you imagine the evil? So that is what the prosecutor, because the prosecutor just collected money. He does not understand the case that they brought before him. He doesn't understand the complexity of the case that was brought before him. So he's asking for additional 6 months. So by that 6 months, they cannot finish election for Biafra land. Una decrease. 6 months from now is January Nabi or February. So they want to calculate it well. Tinubu thinks he's smart. They think that they are very smart people. The argument was that they should give Simon more 6 months. Have you seen your one Nigeria? Have you seen the country that you are praying that one day is going to work for you? No evidence. Now, any other evidence that they are bringing from Nigeria cannot be accepted because they have closed the box of evidence supply. It is dismantling the evidence that put Simon in prison. That is what they are doing now. They cannot adopt more evidence. It's not possible. And that was why Dr. Masanga was making reference with this criminal man called the former AGF, Abubakar Malami, thief, a kidnapper, that went as far as Kenya to kidnap Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, a criminal, a gun runner in Nigeria, a thief, a gun supplier to terrorists. Abubakar Malami. Did you see the houses, the hotels this man acquired in less than 8 years? Those are the people that is fighting Biafra. Abubakar Malami told us that if he had known, he would have killed Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in Kenya instead of bringing him back to Nigeria. They don't have any case against us. They have nothing. I was waiting for Nigerians to come. Where is the foreign affairs minister? Bianca Olo. Where is she today? Where is she? Where is Benjamin Mmadibugu? Where are they today? Ekpa. Where are they today? That's to tell you that these motherfuckers were paid to do what they're doing. They know what they're doing. They were paid. They were being bribed to do this evil. They don't have anything against Prime Minister. None of them could come. All they do was to bribe DOS members. All they do was to bring false evidences against Prime Minister. Nothing. They went to bring DOS people to start testifying against Prime Minister. That is all they do. Nigeria is not in court. Christopher Musa cannot come. He did not come. He wasn't here. He didn't came. These are the people that are ruling you people. You are under them. They are your chief security officers. Nuru Rubado is one supplying evidence. They were the one that supplied evidence to Finland. With Lateef Fagbemi, the President Attorney General of Federation of Nigeria. All criminals, thieves. The one that said he knows show, but he doesn't know anything called Nnamdi Kanu. That's Lateef Fagbemi. These are the people bringing evidence to Finland. They brought evidences to Finland, but none of them is in Finland today. Not one person is in Finland. None. Not one. They are hiring, this excommunicated DOS member. Those are the people that are bringing forward. They are bringing them in. What about Chinese television and Arise television? The problem I have with them is that they don't carry the news now because this news of Simon and Joku does not favor them. They are ashamed of themselves, and they are ashamed of maybe they are ashamed of the country that, they are protecting now. I don't know why they are not carrying this news. I do not know why I write television that Ojidi Kobe that time, if you see Ojidi Kobe, she was vibrating on her own brother. Ojidi, I don't know if she's Igbo. That bigotries. Called, what is his name now? Is it Rufai Oseni? Ruben Abati, bigot, tribal bigot. I didn't see him talk again. I did not see him make noise. I don't see him make any noise about simonekpa. Oh, Simon, Nurubado has submitted enough evidence that they will look into and then crucify simonekpa. I didn't see him. I did not see them carry this case. That's to tell you that the country you are in is not working. It's not even a country. All of them know what they are doing. They know. And the truth will come out. Just like Prime Minister said it. The truth will come out. Nigeria is evil. They are devil. I don't know how you people, some of you that are watching me today, I don't know how you survive in Nigeria, to be honest. A country that cannot uphold equity, fairness, and justice. They can't. Just simple thing, they can't. Where are those 6 or 5 people in TVC? At TVC News. Oh, the self-acclaimed Prime Minister. Self-acclaimed. They know how to give the derogatory name to our people. They know how to fight our people with media. But today they can't come to Finland to report the same news. That they called this in. I know I was waiting for them. I was really waiting for them. They can't come to, none of them is in Finland. All the prosecutor is asking now, go and check. The prosecutor is asking for more 6 months for simonekpa. And just let the judge just detain him for more 6 months. They know what they're doing, so that election, they will come and conduct election in Biafra land. That is where all of you will know that we are serious with this Biafra liberation. I'm telling you the truth. Nothing. They are asking for more 6 months. If you have evidence, present your evidence. Not asking for the judge for 6 months. More 6 months. February, we are now in August, September, October, November, December, January, they will conduct the election. Maybe that January, they will now bring Prime Minister, tell him to go. Because they have conducted the election. And Tinubu is now back. So they are calculating, they were calculating it. Tinubu was calculating what he was going to do. Shameless. Have you seen the country, some of you? Hey, one Nigeria, one Nigeria, one Nigeria, one Nigeria. I don't know who caused on. Who caused Igbo? I do not know who caused Igbo. They have nothing against Prime Minister. Some of them was shouting, holy, hallelujah, hallelujah. simonekpa has been arrested. Oh yeah, now come now. Musa was going for different interview. That time, you will see Musa on channels, television. simonekpa will be extradited very soon. That guy, he has seized the air, this thing. Our air defense can no longer cross. He has hijacked everything. Abio was shouting. None of them, not even one of them, one could not come. How do you establish a case upon those people? You know what they did? They used money to buy Finland's heart. That's why that stupid and hopeless girl, ambassador from Finland to Nigeria, was bragging. Was blocking by she was dancing with Tinubu, shaking hands. You people saw her now. Today she couldn't come and defend herself. She could not come and defend what she put on an innocent man. Why? Because he's a Caucasian. She's a Caucasian. Why? Because simonekpa is a black man. There is no two ways about this. They know what freedom means, but they don't want you to be free. They don't want us to be free. They Finland know what's free. Alexander Stubb knows what freedom means, but they don't want us to have it. Is that not evil in nature? Alexander Stubb knows what freedom means. They are free. They are a free nation. But Alexander Stubb said no. Over his dead body must he see Simon liberate Biafrans. That is why Simon is suffering in DSSS. There is no other reason. In Finland prison. There is no other reason. They collected bribe. They were loaded. Let me tell us one thing. Maybe you people don't understand this thing. If Nigeria can bribe America, $9 million, lobbyists, not the main government officials. They went through, lobbyists are the people who can go and, get meet with, what is it called now, government officials, and tell them that they should support this and support that. So if they collect money, they will start telling the president that, look, this thing is not like this. Let us face it this way. Look inwards and see it that this thing is like this. That is what they do. So now, if Nigeria can lobby America, how much do you think that Nigeria gave to Finland to do what they did? To remove simonekpa, forgetting his nation. That is where your head will start calculating. They didn't tell you. They will never tell you. They will come and put terrorism on him. And today they cannot come to defend that terrorism. That is the country some of you are fighting to become one. That is the country when I come out to fight them and to condemn their evil, some of you will be writing rubbish on my comment section. Have you seen your one Nigeria? All they are asking for now, 6 months prison sentence. They should give them more 6 months to go through the evidence. Oh boy, Nigeria, if Nigeria never happened to you, not just pray for Nigeria. 6 months to go through the evidence again. That they should go and keep Ekpa for 6 months again. Then they will now go and come through and then study the evidences that they have against Simon. It no go better for Nigeria. By now, Governor of Enugu should have been in Finland. I have evidence. Ekpa has finished everybody in the southeast. They are the one causing those nonsense because they see where Ekpa was going to redeclare. Today they tell you, ESN is standing with Nnamdi Kanu. All lies, fabricated issues, fabricated to pin down simonekpa, to pin down Nnamdi Kanu. But they don't say we clever past them. That is why they didn't see Bazaguza. They were looking for, big. They don't see them. They don't know what they won't hold hand again. We are smarted them. When they were shouting, that is a terrorist, Rose is a terrorist, we were just looking at them because they were provoking us to act. When we got the intel, we just said, okay, you know what? Cool down. That is why no evidence. They can't present any evidence. They cannot present pin in court. So the prosecutor, Biafrans, Nigerian government is asking Finland to give them more 6 months to go through their evidence. Have you seen the country that you are hoping that one day it's going to be good? They just want to use that one to buy time. They know that they can't win. They can't win this case because just like I said yesterday, we went to Uganda, uprooted their gods, brought it here in Finland and kept it. So if Nigeria knows they know the fear, may they come pass with lie if they no go fall there. I didn't see Tinubu in court. I've not seen Tinubu. I've not seen Sheyi Tinubu. They are fighting Ekpa. None of them is in Finland today. None of them, not even one person. Ruben Abati would have come to, bring the evidence. At least shame. Una for still cover on herself with small shame. Bring one person. Una for still cover shame for her face. All you are buying is DOX members where those people when no feel pick pin for Godoyibo where they did. Those are the people that will go and manipulate and give them small money and they will come to Finland. We know him now. He's the one terrorizing the southeast. What is the evidence? We know if you talk again. Give us evidence. Nigeria. That country cannot work. It will not work. It can never work. Me, Rose, they tell you say Nigeria no fit work. Leave whether I fight for Biafra or not. Please, no sentiment. Nigeria cannot work. I have been to other African countries. Oh boy, with the way Nigeria is, it can't work. With the way Nigeria is structured, Nigeria can never work. With the multicultural ethnic group in Nigeria, you know if you work. I mean, they tell you, you know if you work. You can't go to Albania and bring Albanians to join this country and expect it to work. You know if you work. You can't go to Russia and bring Russian people and put them in the United Kingdom, expect them to coexist. You know if you work. It can't work. There will be ethnic division. That is what is happening to Nigeria today. Nigeria cannot work. And thank God for Dr. Ngozi Arabueze, who stood our ground and took every risk on this planet Earth to redeclare our freedom. So let nobody deceive you that Biafra has not been redeclared. Even Tinubu, the drug lord, has our redeclaration document on his table. He can't deny it. So what they are doing now is buying time. You can see they are asking Finland because they know they have no case. They are asking Finland to give them more 6 months. More 6 months. Oh boy, Nigeria. Today I just want to laugh. Please. Nigeria is asking Finland to give them more 6 months to go through their evidence. Oh boy, hey God, oh, I beg. Nuru Ribado did not come. These are the people who were supplying evidence to Nigeria. Nuru Ribado. Is he the chief security advisor of Nigeria? Terrorist Tinubu. They didn't come. Lateef Fagbemi did not come. Lateef Fagbemi, that you know that Selina Selene, when she came to Nigeria, in conjunction with Lateef Fagbemi and the Office of Attorney General of Federation and with the Office of the Security Advisor of Nigeria, we had evidence of simonekpa. They don't come. None of them came. None of them. None. They are big boys in Nigeria. Let them come here and exchange wisdom. We don't see them. A young man like Christopher Musa could not come. Upon all that is to tell you that media has finished Nigeria. This media, it don't finish Nigeria. They make you hang on hope. Oh, something is going to happen. Something is going to happen. Tomorrow they will divert. Just like what is happening in Nigeria today. When people are fighting for their right, and people are pushing hard, the world is listening to them. The world is saying, what is going on here? They will bring P-Square and Peter. They will distract everyone. Peter self-native. You now forget the main agenda, the reason why you are here. Oh boy, Peter, what are you doing, brother? Are you fighting for the people who are already made and living their life in another country, living big? You that is fighting for your life, you start talking about them. Oh boy, hey, this Peter, you forget the reason why you are on the streets. That is how Nigeria is. That is what they have done to you. Nobody discussed that nonsense here. Nobody knows anybody in this country. Whether the government is collapsing, nobody cares. As long as the system is working, nobody cares. But it's not funny. To be honest, it's not funny. It's not funny at all. You know what it means? When an AIG can hang death on someone who is innocent. Do you know what that means? AIG, Assistant Commissioner of Police, hang death on you. Nigeria is finished. They are asking for more 6 months. That is what they are asking in court. But the judge said you have to prove your case now or never. An innocent man is being jailed. You are still asking for more 6 months because you have no evidence. So that 6 months reach now, when I go down do election, everything go down make Ekpa if you come, no fee pursue us. But we want to secure Biafra land, and that is why Ekpa must come out on the 17th of this month. Finland must know that we are in court on the 17th. 17th of this month, Biafrans in Finland must be in Finland. Nigeria has no case against Prime Minister. Just know it. They have no case against him. And I wonder if Alexander Stock is going to do the right thing. Although this court is not attached to the government, it's an independent institution on its own. So let us see what is going to happen. That prosecutor of Nigeria, he was loaded with money. He was loaded with money. Hey! Today, he doesn't understand the case of Nigeria and Biafra. He doesn't understand. So he's not asking us to give, he's not asking the judge to give more 6 months. He's a bastard. Let your father, your brother, your uncle go through the same thing that Ekpa is going through. And let the judge give you more 6 years. What you wish for us is what we are going to wish for you. They don't have any case against Prime Minister.